Oh, look at my camera battery. Should I change it?
No. I mean, how long does that last?
Not that long. I'll grab
I
that.
sound like a man.
Okay. What's up, guys? Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry you're seeing me in this state of death, but me and Natty are at LOLLAPALOOZA. It's day 3 today, so we are getting ready to go to brunch later and then go to Lolla later in the day. And we're waiting on our Postmates because he's taken 20 minutes over the time he was supposed to take to get to me. So we're just gonna start doing our makeup now. Yeah, where is he going?
I hope you have to walk down there with your face all big.
No, I put our room number, so he needs to come up here.
Oh, bad.
Yeah. It's both been, is that English?
No.
It's been both of our first times.
Yes.
At Lolla. So, it's an experience. Oh, man. I have so many blisters, like, I won't shut up about them.
Keaton has decided to amputate her feet.
I'm literally chopping all my toes off.
Her bunions.
My bunions. Out of control.
It literally looks like there's a golf ball coming out of her foot. And your name is Mrs. Bunyan.
Oh my god. I was gonna say I'm using these dewy drops, but I said I'm Ewing. I mix using and dewy.
You're
together.
so silly.
I'm like one of those goofy girls. Like, I'm so relatable.
No correlation.
No relation.
Okay, who are we seeing today?
We're seeing The Weeknd, Daniel Caesar, who else?
Millennium.
Millennium. Who else? Black Bear. That's it. Also, we're not hungover. Obviously, I'm not hungover, but like, I know we sound dead. We're dead.
Like balls. Can I turn the air on?
No,
Hold up.
no,
Okay.
you can't.
Help me.
Because it's too
Okay,
loud.
pull me up.
Where's Lucas? With the coffee. Guys, I have a canker sore. Huh?
Nothing.
What did you say? I did not have a canker sore before I got here, and I really don't understand how I got one. Does that mean I'm like nasty?
I can't see.
You look insane. Where's
Thank
the
you.
lid to this?
I told them that you had herpes.
I don't have herpes. What? Lucas? Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna go flirt real quick.
They are getting it on. I can hear it. It's getting really intense.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
What do you have to say over here?
Oh, can I have a sip of your coffee? My mom doesn't let me drink coffee.
I was literally just gonna say, well, you're gonna poop. We're not pooping in porta potties at Lolla.
But we still have a couple hours, so we'll poop at brunch.
I got a muffin.
That's gonna fill you up.
Hey. We're gonna go to lunch. I bit my canker sore, like I bit into it. I think I popped it. Can you pop it?
No. Let me see it. Oh, I think you did. There is blood.
Are you sure? I feel it.
Don't let them on the bus.
I'm crying. Oh my god, I fought it. I knew it. Oh god, I'm crying. Why is the worst week of my life?
Keaton.
It was the best week of my life.
Yeah.
But I'm crying. It's literally bleeding everywhere. I could taste it.
Oh, everywhere.
I've been shot. Oh my god, guys. She's not good.
I think this trip has entailed Keaton complaining.
About literally every single thing. Who has been your favorite so
Bruno.
far? Oh yeah, okay, never mind.
I cried.
She cried like the first 4 songs of Bruno Mars. So.
I just can't take it, dude. I love him so much, and the way he dances just really makes me feel some type of way. Or her butt.
I just put my arm on the concealer.
That looks like Bruno's set last night.
New
The circles and the triangles going around.
Is everything just related to Bruno?
Yes.
Okay.
I am Bruno.
Post Malone was really good.
Mm-hmm.
I saw Post Malone at Coachella, but he didn't have Beer Bongs and Bentleys out yet. So I got to see him with new stuff, and that was fun.
It was really fun. And we like finally met up with some friends, so it was fun too.
Yeah, so Nat didn't just have to stand by me the whole time and just like look at me.
I finally, no. It's really, like, we love our friends.
Guys, I've literally met so many subscribers here. I'm not even just saying that. I don't meet subscribers as often as you would like think that I do. Like almost not ever.
Like I really feel like you meet them all the time.
I really feel like I don't. I mean I do, but I don't. Anyway, I've never met so many subscribers in my entire life. Like I literally had a meet and greet at Lolla. I'm actually not trying to be dramatic.
Thank you to the some of you who recognized me.
Everyone knew Natty. Like every time someone would come up, they'd be like,
Not
Natty, oh my god, I follow you on Instagram too. So she was like feeling like she had a lot
I
of
was
clout.
feeling myself.
She was feeling herself.
I'm a cloud chaser.
She really is. So you're like not doing your makeup anymore. You're just gonna eat the bagel.
I'm so hungry, Keaton.
You've been eating it for the past like 10 minutes.
Who else did we see? Who else did you really like?
Oh, Travis Scott, duh.
No, who else did you really like?
What are you getting at? Who do I like?
You liked Bruno.
Oh, yeah, I really liked Bruno. But Travis Scott was like my fave.
Travis Scott gave me anxiety.
She hated it.
I literally was so scared being in that crowd. I looked at Keaton and I was like, I need to leave.
Because everyone was like moshing and I was like into it and she like wasn't.
No. Keaton's a huge rave girl.
I love a rave.
Especially a good mosh.
I love to body slam.
Do you remember that story I told you when I couldn't find a bagel, so I just scooped cream cheese into my mouth on the 4th of July?
Why would you do that?
Because I used to be obsessed with cream cheese.
That's disgusting.
And I'd literally just like spoon it into my mouth.
That's the most disgusting thing I've ever heard.
No,
I just remembered everyone always asks me what drink this is. Iced caramel macchiato with extra caramel. The extra caramel is a key component. If you don't get extra caramel, it's not going to be as good. We went to the Contemporary Arts Museum here. I've never been more scared for my life in a museum ever. Like I think I just don't understand things.
Well,
I understood some things, but then other things I was like, these people are naked, like in a forest, like running around.
No, they weren't people. They were like digitally made like video game people dancing around.
We changed the angle because my camera was overheating. It was like directly in the sun. We should have just had it at this angle the whole time, but we're stupid. Okay, anyway. You're stupid? Can I highlight you now so I don't do it later?
Yeah, go.
Okay,
While we're wet.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Oh, I put too much on. Look at my left cheek. Oh.
Left. That's your left.
Yeah, just shut up.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna do mascara.
Oh god, that's gonna take the last 20 minutes of the video.
Dude, I'm obsessed with this.
What is it?
It's this L'Oreal Paris, and you put on the bottom coat, and then it gets sticky, and then you put on the coat on top to make it stay, and it literally stays all day long.
That's a really cool idea.
And it's like my favorite color too.
Your lipstick really was on all day yesterday.
Yeah, like
and mine was like completely off by the time we got there.
Yeah.
But you know what I was thinking? L'Oreal is doing really good in life right now.
Okay.
With their products. This lip liner is the best lip liner I've ever used.
Is that the one that you use all day, every day?
Yes, I've used it for like 4 months now.
And
I never use it for that long. What? What did I do?
It's just that your lip is highlight.
Yeah, because
like,
I haven't put my...
No, I know, but it's funny because it's like There's my lips.
I feel like you're bullying me, kind of.
What?
He's not gonna know what that means. No one knows what that means.
Flirt.
I have no idea what you're saying. This guy literally texted her and said, hi, H-I, and she said, A-S-S-U-H. I saw. He literally is not gonna know what you're talking about. You just ruined everything. Ugh.
Whenever you do that thing where you go like this, and then you like smile, you know?
I do?
Yeah. You do that a lot. I said that. It reminds me of that.
That's the funniest thing.
I was like, this creepy thing. What's up?
I hate you.
I liked the red that we did the first day.
Oh, you want that orangey?
Yeah.
Want them darker?
I think
on the lower?
Orangier.
Really?
Really or no? Do I look okay?
This lip liner is the L'Oreal Matte Lipstick Lip Liner, I mean, in 112. It's the best thing ever.
Mascara time.
No.
That is very orange today.
You literally told me to keep going. Okay, well, I'm done, so bye.
Can we put a little under my eye? Orange. Or can you just get the palette out so I can go that?
Oh my god, thumbnail.
I was gonna say that. Clickbait.
Stop.
Girl twerks on
Wait,
Keaton.
come over here with your solo cup.
Thumbnail.
Because that's funny. It looks like you're getting drunk.
Hey!
Okay guys, this is my wig. This is her. She has a lot of hair. Too much hair for me. I got her on Amazon for like $30. And if I can find her, I'll link her below in case you guys want her.
Not your hair?
No!
Where'd you guys get these?
It's Keaton's wig.
I brought a wig.
Oh, that's hilarious. I know, I can't believe you're making a bag. Okay. Turn around.
We out, yeah. We're out here with my wig on.
Oh, there's a barber shop right there too.
Everyone's looking at me. Should I go in them and give them some tips?
Yes.
My wig is not snatched and it's blowing away out here. Well, that's all.
Welcome to the Windy City.
Okay guys, we're ending the vlog. I took my wig off. It's over. Thank you guys. I said vlog. We're ending the video. Go follow Natty on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you guys want us to do more Get Ready With Me, like college-based, like another game day one. That would be fun.
With me.
With Natty only. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.